Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we are checking out the Sony WF-1000XM3s. Yeah, it's a terrible name, but this is a pretty good Bluetooth earbud, and yeah, I bought it and we're gonna unbox it in today's video, and we're gonna set it up with my phone and see what's up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, as you can see, the packaging looks really clean, and you can see the branding and stuff on the front, some features like 360-degree audio, Google Assistant, Alexa, yada. And you can see the picture of the earbuds. Now, let's just quickly tear the plastic wrap around, and then we'll check out the box once again without all the shine. Okay, so as you can see, the box is pretty nice. The packaging is always very nice with Sony, and yeah, I think it comes out from the side. Alright, so as you can see, the box is pretty nice. So the price quoted on the box is around 20,000 Indian rupees, but I got it for just around 7,500 rupees on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description so that you can check it out. Now, let's just quickly open this box up. As you can see, it slides from the side, and once it is out, as you can see, there is another box in which you'll find the case, which is pretty huge. I got this in the black and gold color, black and bronze color, I think. Bronze or chrome, whatever you may like to call it. So yeah, this is the huge case for the earbud, and then we have the earbud. So the case feels really nice. It has a matte texture on it, and as you can see, these are the two earbuds. So on the lid there were some instructions in order to set it up, how to wear the earbuds and how to set it up. So yeah, those are there if you would like that. But yeah, these are the earbuds. Let's just put the earbuds inside the box. And bam, as you can see, we have done it. Let's just see what else do we get inside the box of the earbuds. Now, we have quite a few extra ear tips. So we get some extra silicone ones and some foam ones, which is really nice. So try all of them out to see which one fits you the best. And this is really great that they give so much choice for the ear tip. Now next up, we have some pamphlets for a trial of 360-degree audio and a booklet, warranty information, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna keep that aside. And apart from this, we get a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. That's really nice. So we're gonna use that cable for charging, obviously. So let's just keep all these manuals and stuff aside, and we'll check out the earbuds and pair them with my phone. Alright, so taking a look at the earbuds case, as you can see, there is a red light glowing from the front, which indicates the battery level, and I guess it is low right now. And on the top you can see the Sony branding. This color combination looks really nice, and on the back you can see the USB-C port for charging, and this case doesn't have any kind of wireless charging or any kind of IP protection. That's very sad. And yeah, after opening the case, you can see that the earbuds are held really well inside it, and these earbuds also have a blinking light. It's also kind of weird, but yeah, the shiny part that you're seeing on the earbuds are the touch sensors. So the touch controls are enabled through them, and you have a few mics on the earbuds for taking calls and stuff. It's really good. So yeah, let's just quickly pair it up with my phone. Alright, so in order to pair them up, you need to download the Sony headphones app. You can do it from the Play Store or the Apple App Store. Just do that, and once you have downloaded it, open it up, and as you can see, I've already paired my Sony XB900N, so it's showing up there. So just click on pair another device, and after that you need to open up the lid and tap it. So since my phone has NFC, so I'm gonna use that to pair this up. But if your phone doesn't have NFC, you can just do it through the regular Bluetooth method. So it's asking me to take the earbuds out from the case, and then select the NFC option, and then I guess I have to tap it on the case. Yeah, so once I tap it, we get the pairing notification. Just tap yes, and the earphone should be paired with your device. Alright, so the pairing is completed, I guess. Now go through all the steps that the app tells you to. Just follow through, and once the setup is completed, you will be on the app home screen, which will show you the firmware version and all the settings for your earbuds. So yeah, it's downloading an update for Google Assistant. Just install that, and yeah, I guess it is set up right now. And when you go to the Bluetooth settings, you don't really see any codecs or stuff, because this also doesn't have any LDAC or anything special like that. So yeah, as you can see, the battery is pretty low on everything, so I'm probably gonna just charge it and then we'll listen to some music, I guess. Okay, so there is also an option to like wear your headset correctly, which shows you a tutorial for that. Cool. And you can see all the controls that are here. So a single tap to play or pause, double tap to skip track, triple tap to go to the previous track, and tap and hold to increase or decrease the volume. And you can obviously customize all this. And the Sony headphones app gives you a lot more settings to play around with, and yeah, you do get a lot of things. But yeah, do keep in mind that this doesn't have LDAC or anything like that. It does have the DACC Extreme and stuff, which will like which converts your low level signals to high level signals, and those things are there, but it doesn't have any special codecs or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and setup of the Sony WF-1000XM3s. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this. My friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.